Hi there crafters, it's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we'll be using Banner Year to make this cute little trick-or-treat card. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to use Banner Year, and we're going to be using this cute little bat and Happy Haunting. I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Cut and Emboss. And I have dies from the HIPPO and Friends dies, and these are the two largest. So I have a piece of our black glitter paper, and I'm going to use the larger one for that. And then I have a piece of basic gray. And I'm going to use the smaller one for that. Alright, so we'll run this through. Are you all so excited to get this new cutting machine? I love it. Everything cuts through so smoothly and it embosses awesomely. And I love that you can fold it up and it doesn't take up so much room on your craft table. All right, so we'll go ahead and do our stamping. I'm going to get our little gray piece, and I have both the sentiment and the image mounted on clear block B, and I'm going to come in with my Memento Tuxedo black ink. Get that good and inked up. So just like that. And that's all the stamping we're doing. We can start putting this card together. So first of all, I'm going to get our little image, our die piece, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere it to this silver. And I wanted the illusion that it was like a tombstone, you know. Okay, so I have a piece of the Magic in This Night Designer Series paper, and we're going to use the one with the bats on it. And then I have a piece of basic black as our matte piece. Then I'm going to come in with the metallic mesh ribbon. And some ordinary tape. So just like that. You can adjust it a little. Alright, and our card base is basic gray. And it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. So just like that. And next I'm going to come in with my Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm going to put these down where I want them to go on here. So just like that, a quick and simple Halloween card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, please click on our online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!